Good morning, children. Today we are going to discuss about the basic proportionality theorem, which is in our 8th chapter, similar triangles. We will discuss about the similarity in the third theorem. Now we are going to define what is basic proportionality theorem and its converse. First, basic proportionality theorem, which is BPT. BPT means basic proportionality theorem. What do you know about proportion? Yes, you are right. Proportion is the equality of two ratios. Here, the equation of two ratios means equality of two ratios means if a line in a triangle ABC or PQ or etc. In a triangle, a line parallel to one side, divides the other two sides in the same ratio. This is the basic proportionality theorem. A line parallel to one side divides the other two sides in the same ratio. If the line is parallel to AC, it divides the other two sides BC and AB in the same ratio. If the line is parallel to AB, then it divides the other two sides. What are the other two sides? AC and BC in the same ratio. This is the basic proportionality theorem. We will discuss about the proof in our next classes. First, we have to define the theorem and we have to apply the theorem. Now, it's converse. Here you have to observe a line parallel to one side divides the other two sides in same ratio. Now it's converse. It means if a line divides two sides of a triangle in the same ratio, it will be parallel to the third side. Now can you define the BPT? It is, in a triangle, a line parallel to one side divides the other two sides in the same ratio. Now, it's converse. Converse means reverse statement. In a triangle, if a line divides the other two sides, it means AD by DB is equal to AE by AC. If a line divides the other two sides in the same ratio, it will be parallel to the third side. It is the converse of the BPT theorem. What is the difference? If a line parallel to one side, it divides the other two sides in the same ratio is the basic proportionality theorem. And its converse is, if a line divides two sides in the same ratio, it will be parallel to the third side. These are the two theorems. Basic proportionality theorem, which is extracted by Thales, mathematician Thales, and its converse. Now we have to apply the theorems in our exercise. Now, first take your textbooks, open 8th chapter and page number 197. Do this. Page number 197. Do this. Triangle PQR. In a triangle PQR, PQ and PR. This is the do this. Page number 197. In triangle PQR, E and F. E and F are the points on PQ and PR. We have to find if EF is parallel to QR or not. If EF is parallel to QR, it divides the other two sides in the same ratio. Now we have to check. The first problem is PE is equal to 3.9, EQ is equal to 3 centimeters, PF is equal to 3.6 and FR is equal to 2.4. We have to check whether the ratios are same or not. Now, if EF is parallel to PR, according to BPT, PE by EQ is equal to PF by FR. Check whether it is true or false. 3.9 by 3 is equal to 3.6 by 2.4. We have to check whether it is true or false. This is 3 by 2, but it is 1.3 by 1. So, EF is not parallel to QR because it does not divide the other two sides in the same ratio. One point 3 is not equal to 1.5. In the second case, now look at the second problem. In the second case, take the measurements and check whether EF is parallel to QR or not. Take the triangle PQR and EF. PE is equal to 4, QE is equal to 4.5, PF is equal to 8, RF is equal to 9. We can say EF is parallel to QR only if the ratios are same. What ratios? PE by EQ is equal to PF by FR. we have to check whether the ratios are same or not. PE 4 by 4.5. Here PF 8 by 9. 2 4s are 2 4.5s are. These two ratios are equal. So, according to BPT or its converse. Now tell me, is it BPT theorem or its converse theorem? Here, EF is parallel to Q. If EF is parallel to QR, it divides the other two sides in the same ratio. This is BPT. Here, the ratios are same. A line divides the two sides in the same ratio. So, it is parallel to third side. Now, it is the converse of the BPT. According to converse of BPT, we can say EF is parallel to QR.